Hello everybody, it's Yashar here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to briefly talk about a REIT or real estate investment trust that unfortunately slashed its dividend by 55%. Yes, it is Northwest Healthcare REIT. This is a REIT that I discussed its fundamentals before on this channel and mentioned the risks of investment in this company due to their awful capital allocation and balance sheet. I posted a video almost 9 months ago and mentioned why Northwest Healthcare REIT is going to cut its dividend and why it is overvalued by more than 50%. I posted another video 6 months ago and mentioned again that this REIT will cut its dividend soon, similar to another REIT, True North Commercial. Just watch a short clip from that video. As I mentioned in the start of the video, rising interest rate environment is not good for debt-heavy businesses and REITs like TNT. But there is another real estate investment trust or REIT in the market that I think is really close to have the same fate as TNT, and that is Northwest Healthcare REIT. Similar to TNT, they are also exponentially diluting shareholders to raise capital, which means they have to pay more dividend or distributions. Their payout ratio is over 100%, similar to TNT. They had a significant reduction in funds from operation in the last quarter, and the management team are dumping the shares of the company left and right. I'm not sure what will happen. Maybe they can recover their funds from operation or magically able to reduce their debts, but this is a very risky investment at the moment, in my opinion. Unfortunately, what I said in the video turned into a fact today, and Northwest Healthcare REIT slashed its dividend by 55%. They also announced sales of some of their assets to pay down the debt and also mentioned a significant reduction in their adjusted funds from operation for future quarters. The stock is down almost 12% today following the news. I'm so sorry for Northwest Healthcare shareholders, and I hope it goes well at the end. Let's quickly look at the announcement. Of course, they tried to sugarcoat this awful news and their terrible capital allocation with these sentences. Northwest Healthcare Properties Real Estate Investment Trust today announced steps to strengthen its financial position, including financing and disposition initiatives and a reduction to its monthly distribution. So the important part is this part. Sales of assets to date have generated gross sales proceeds of approximately $74 million, with additional gross proceeds in excess of $50 million expected to be received in Q4 2023. So they also mentioned additional assets expected to generate gross proceeds in excess of $100 million are currently under conditional agreement or are being marked for sale. So they're basically saying they sold some assets and will sell more assets to cover their debts. They also mentioned these sales of assets is expected to decrease the REIT's AFFO per unit by approximately 16 cents to 20 cents per year. That's a huge reduction in AFFO per share of the company. Finally, they mentioned that the board today announces an immediate reduction of the REIT's monthly distribution to unit holders from $0.066 per unit to $0.03 per unit, or from 80 cents per unit to 36 cents per unit on yearly basis. Anyway, I'm sorry for you if you were a Northwest Healthcare investor, and I hope the stock treats you well in the future, but always remember to make investment decisions based on business fundamentals and not just the dividend yield of a stock. I don't know what to say at this point, as the stock is down a lot today, and I'm not even sure if the future of the company is bright even at this point. At the end of the day, do your own research and make investment decisions really carefully. These videos are just my personal opinion, and I don't know your personal situation, and you know your own risk tolerance better than me. I hope whatever decisions you make works out for you at the end. There you are, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will come back with a video about my portfolio soon, but until that time, I see you guys in the next video. Farewell.